With the new firmware 2.0, the Lumix GH6 can now record 5.7K 30 frames per second ProRes internally, unlimited, with a fan, without any worry about overheating, all for $2,500, making the camera a very, very good deal for the money. Now, with this processing power, one might imagine that if it weren't for Red's internal compressed RAW video patent, that we'd also see the inclusion of ProRes RAW internally. Now, if you've ever used ProRes RAW and you have a macOS and Final Cut Pro based workflow like I do, you'll know how good this codec is. It plays back extremely efficiently. It's a compressed RAW format, so you get a very good low bit rate at extremely good quality, all while without having to install any drivers in your operating system. Now we know on a technology side, we've already seen the Z9 and the R5C do internal RAW recording at 8K 60 frames per second. So the processing power is already there in a compact mirrorless sized body, but it's just Red's patent that's holding these other companies back from implementing it themselves. Nikon, as a company, is in the courts right now, back and forth with Red, stating that their use of internal compressed RAW is not completely infringing on Red's patent. So we'll see, and hopefully they win that case for the long run. And for the consumers, in my opinion, the best case would be for Red's patent to be nullified. Apple already tried fighting against it as well with no success. Because to me, especially if you're posting your videos in HDR, RAW or a very lightly compressed logarithmic codec and profile is necessary for the workflow.